guys. Hi guys, it's all about TikTok today. Making money on TikTok is quite easy, but honestly it needs more hard work, especially on followers. Honestly, I'm saying this because I know it. I'm making money from it, and there are a lot of ways to make money from TikTok. But specifically, I'm going to be telling you 9 ways to make money from TikTok accounts. If you're new here or you're seeing me for the first time, I'm giving you a warm welcome. What we do on this channel is talk on how to make money online and offline business ideas and tips. If that is what you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also, I promise I will never share you any wrong information on how to make money online. And also, I also review website that does not pay you on this particular channel. If that is what you're interested in, why won't you subscribe? Because I need you to subscribe to this channel. Okay guys, I'm back for real. At least I'll be posting once in a week now because I'm still working. I have a lot of work that I'm doing, so that's why. Alright, so let's dive into today's video. The first way to make money from TikTok accounts is through services. Selling my services. This is the first way I made money from TikTok accounts, and this is the way I made money from TikTok accounts. Even though there are other several ways to make money from TikTok accounts, but it's just that they have requirements and eligibility criteria that you need to have before you can start earning from this particular website. So all of this DM that you're seeing, I charge them once they enter my DM. So that is it. I'm a social media manager, and then I charge them for landing page, sponsored ad, Google verification, all of those stuff. That is what I do for a living. So now let's go to creators too and see other ways to make money from your TikTok accounts. You're going to click on the 3 line by the corner of your phone, and then you'll see this monetization space. You click on the subscription. Once you click on the subscription, it's going to bring this criteria. You have live access. I have that, but I haven't go live in the last 28 days. But you need to have at least gone live for 30 minutes in the last 28 days, and also you have at least 1,000 followers before you can start receiving any from this area or stage or anything here. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Next one is video gifts. You can actually get gifts from your top performing videos, but you need to have these following criteria before you can receive gifts from your videos. First, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. The reason why my own is not showing green mark is because I don't have up to that followers. And the second one is videos must pass safety moderation to be eligible for gifts. Have an account that is been active for at least 30 days. Meets the age requirements. Accounts not used by governments, politicians, and political parties. So these are the requirements or criteria that you need to meet up before you can get gifts on your top performing videos. So let's move to my favorite part of this is work with artists. Yes, all you need is just 1,000 followers. So if you don't have up to 1,000 followers, you need to work on your TikTok page, at least have 1,000 followers. And every month there is always a challenge for creators to join. So this one now started January 12th to January 16th. Then you will see just like there are a lot of trending music used by the TikTok influencers. This is how they get paid, girl, bro. This is how they get paid. Seriously, you just have to join them, but you need to work hard towards it. It's not easy, but I know you're going to make it, and we're going to make it together. Trust me on this. So if you want to join this challenge or you want to start doing this type of challenge, then you need to just follow the criteria, read the requirements that is needed, abide with it so that you get paid. And they always pay from the first winner to 25 winners there. It depends on the likes of the particular videos. They are the likes, they are the money you get. Yeah, let's put it that way. The video must at least 8 seconds long as well. So that is about the work of artists part on how you can make money from TikTok. Then the next way you can actually monetize your account is going live on TikTok. Yeah, if you see other people going live on TikTok and they are receiving ice cream, flowers, lions, so they actually convert all of those things into money. That is also a top way you can monetize your TikTok account in Nigeria. So the next way you can monetize your TikTok account is by joining by joining TikTok referral program. Yes, TikTok has a referral program, and there are certain countries that works with TikTok referral program. Not all countries can apply. Nigeria is not among, but some other African countries are among. So you need to check out the country you are and check out if they are eligible for this program. So you won't just be busy referring people, and whereas you're not among the countries, you're not among the eligible country. And one more thing is that the people you are referring must also be in the same country you are. Do you get? So that is I'll make sure you just go through the referral program in case you want to go with that, and also check out the rules and regulation so you not violate any of them. Alright, that is all about the TikTok referral program. This way you can monetize your TikTok page is through brand partnership or collaboration with brand. Brand actually pay you, or they look out for you if you have a lot of followers, and they're going to pay you a huge amount of money for you. They're going to pay you a huge amount of money to promote their brands or products on your page to your own audience. Yes, that is what marketers actually do, or brands do. The eighth way you can monetize your TikTok page is running sponsored ad. Brand can reach out to you, or you reach out to brand, tell them what you have to offer them, and you might actually get a chance to get a deal with some brands. Many TikTokers you see posting or promoting a particular product for or a particular brand, they actually get paid for what they are doing. There's a lot of ways you can actually make money from TikTok, but it needs some hard work, honestly, especially on followers. Another way you can make money from your TikTok page is through affiliate marketing. I don't know if you've heard about affiliate marketing, but what affiliate marketing means is just you promoting other people's products and you get commission per referral or per sales you made on that particular product. What you need to do to sell to your TikTok followers is you have to niche down, and you know what you're going to be promoting under that niche. People that want more or that has interest in whatever thing or whatever niche you choose will always send you a DM that they want to learn more, they want to know more, and you can sell the affiliate courses to them. But mind you, you need to know what the courses entails before you can start even promoting it on your TikTok. So practically you need to buy maybe a course, and you create your own course through your own understanding from that course. So you are good to go to start selling your own course, and you can also sell other people's course as well. So that's all about affiliate marketing. Now you know how to make money or to monetize your TikTok page. I hope you will try one or two ways you can monetize your own TikTok page as well. Alright guys, see you in my next video, and take care. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye. See you in my next video. Take care. Love you.